the Chancellor and Prime Minister are trying to convince us that Britain faces problems that are nothing to do with them, that the mini-budget, which imposed a Tory mortgage premium, put pensions in peril and trashed our reputation around the world, was all just a bad dream. It's their Bobby Ewing strategy. Downing Street as Dallas. Old cast members return as if nothing had happened, with tangled plot lines to keep the audience. But the truth is, it has lost all credibility. And everyone knows it is long past time that this series was cancelled. And the problem for the British people is this. This is not a dream. This is the everyday nightmare of Tory Britain. Mr. Speaker, the Conservatives would have us believe that they are not responsible for the last 12 years of failure. In doing so, they take the British people for fools. Millions are already worried sick about how to make ends meet and are now facing the added stress of higher mortgage payments. The prospect of home ownership becoming more and more remote, and rents going through the roof. What does this mean? Family holidays cancelled, savings depleted, hopes for the future replaced by sleepless nights. And all of this on top of the fact that the average worker is earning less today than when the Tories came to power 12 years ago. The government has presided over the biggest wage squeeze in centuries. This was a crisis made in Downing Street, and it is ordinary working people who are paying the price. Now, Mr. Speaker, as I was coming into Westminster today, I read a timely warning from the police about pickpockets in the area. They warn, you may have an idea of what a pickpocket looks like, but they're far less likely to stand out in a crowd than you think. They may work in teams to try and distract the target. And one of their tactics is where a thief will appear to be over-friendly while pickpocketing you. Now, I must report that in the last hour, the Conservatives have picked the pockets of purses and wallets of the entire country as the Chancellor has deployed a raft of stealth taxes, taking billions of pounds from ordinary working people. A Conservative double whammy that sees frozen tax thresholds and double-digit inflation erode the real value of people's wages.